Welcome today in front of me Lenovo TAB4 and I'll show you how to change icons shape on this device. So first you should go to the Google Play and in the search bar type X icon changer. Now just we have to get this application, so tap to install and just wait a few seconds while application installing on your tablet. Now just open the application and wait a few seconds, and as can you see, right now we got all our applications on our device, and you can choose one from the app and you can change the shape of the application, the icon. Here you got the library with all new icons. Here you can also choose the new icon from the gallery, from your photos from your tablet, or you can also take a picture right now. For example, I will go in with this one. You can also rename the app if you want. And now just tap here to OK. Wait a few seconds, skip the ads, and now just you can change the next icon by the same way. Just select the app and right now we can see our new icon. And for example, now we'll just see the difference between the icons. As can you see, we got here the new icon, and that's our the default one. So that's how it looks. If you found this video helpful, leave like, comment and subscribe our channel.